In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at the lasso tool. The lasso tool lets us select pixels in a couple of different ways. We can do freehand, we can create a polygon, there's a bezier which kind of allows you to manipulate the lines into curves, and then the magnetic lasso. So we'll take a look at the freehand. In this, you can literally just trace outside of something. So if I wanted to go all the way around certain petals and then maybe the butterfly, I can trace around those, and then that allows me to select those pixels and I can delete them. Or maybe I can copy them and paste them to another layer, anything I want to like that. With the polygon tool, this gives you more precise lines, so you are able to create straight lines. So if you needed to get an exact triangle, something like that. And then when you connect the lines or hit enter, it's going to give you these marching ants, and that lets you know that that's the pixels that you select. To quickly deselect pixels, you will hit Control D, and that will get rid of the marching ants. The bezier is kind of fun because it allows you to manipulate lines in a curve. So I can pull that out like this and then create another little curved line. So it's kind of fun. I don't think we'd use this one very often because it's not quite as precise as the lasso tool, but it does allow you to select that. And then the magnetic one, really never played around with this. So it looks like it's gonna be a little bit, it's tracing the flowers a little bit nice. So that's awesome. Kind of like that one a little bit. Now, some other things that you'll see up here, you'll see that it has a size, so that can give you like the size for how big your shape is going to be once you have it selected. Feathering gives you a softer edge. The anti-alias gives you a nice crisp edge. So when you need to select pixels, and you will be in your next project coming up, you will want to maybe remove the butterfly or the flower or a background, and the lasso would be a good tool for that.